are being pulled out after our 2-day trip down from St. Augustine. That is a propane tank on the front of the vessel. One of the owners had that welded on, believing it would act as a bulbous bow. I don't believe that's the case. Overall, the hull looked to be in pretty good shape. We had it cleaned twice while we were in St. Augustine. There is quite a bit of rust scale, or whatever you want to call it, on the vessel. But overall, I was pleasantly surprised on how the hull looked and whatnot. Expected it to be a lot worse, since the owner had not kept up with the zincs for the past couple of years, which, I mean, I understand he had medical issues and whatnot, so that makes it very difficult. Anyway, testing some SR17, a rust abatement product here. So this was the area that I sprayed. It was either 2 days or 3 days ago. The upper area actually had been sprayed earlier, right in this region, starting here. This has actually had 2 treatments. That's had 1 treatment, and the temps have been in the low 70s, but very wet. We've had lots of rain, as you can see by the water over there and everything. Anyway, I'm going to spray another treatment. It seems that when sun is on it, it seems like it reacts much quicker and whatnot. It's probably because the metal heats up. So anyway, I was going to spray some more on this area and see how it does. Well, they did some more blasting on the water line here, and then I was able to get up here just after they moved the boat over, and the SR17 reacted really well with the areas that blasted. So you can get to this back area, but boy, this front area definitely got a really nice reaction. Still got some spots drying and whatnot, but very happy. So here we are back on the hard after being blasted, getting ready to pull the anchor and anchor chain out of the boat so we can work on the windlass. The equipment room held all of this stuff, mixture of tools that were also in the engine room, along with the bright chair, and then finally we had a bike and other odds and ends in the storage room. Once we had cleaned everything out, we were left with all these sorted boxes and everything. And this is going down into the cleaned out equipment room. We added the red toolbox, and here's the cleaned out engine room. We'd also had some work done here, and the engines had been painted. Here we've removed the floor, have not cleaned the underlying concrete or anything. We do eventually clean it all out and paint it. And then here's the cleaned out storage room. And then the floor is removed and you can see the grime underneath. And then finally I got in there with a pressure washer to clean everything out, or really deep clean that grime out. And most of it came out really well. Of course, then we had to suck all that water out, which was no fun. But this is a good way of cleaning this grime.